It's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this CB Automator or Clickbank Automator. For those of you out there who are getting into affiliate marketing, but you maybe have a bit of a time constraint, you want to promote some products, products may be coming out and you want to be there, you want to be putting out a review, but maybe you're thinking, oh, but I have to write the content for it, I have to write all the text, I have to do the review myself. If you don't want to do that, if you just want to have the review automatically created with your clickback links in there, and you just sit back and maybe tweak the keywords a little bit, but essentially just sit back and collect the money. If that sounds good to you, then CB Automator might be right up your alley. Today we're going to take a deep dive into CB Automator, see exactly how it works, and as well as that, I've also sourced some really great bonus products that are going to go hand in hand with CB Automator, so you get the absolute most out of it and you can really hit the ground running. Before we get into that though, it'd really help me out if you dropped a like on this video and hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification if you want to be updated with new products, new platforms coming out that are going to assist you in your make money online goals. Also, really quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, simply click that link in the description. Make sure you do, because by doing so, you'll go through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way that works is my bonus page is integrated with the CB Automator vendor sales page. They're hooked up together. So if you click on any of these green buttons that you see here, what that will do is lock in all these bonuses I'm about to talk to you about, so that when you do go off and you do decide you want to buy CB Automator, you'll get CB Automator and all these bonuses sent to you together in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So just a ton of extra value by going through that link. Really quickly, the first bonus I've gotten for you is called Sevenfigure Mastery. Why did I throw this in? Well, CB Automator is kind of like a plugin that is going to go into your blog and help you to generate income. Sevenfigure Mastery is going to help you to understand the ins and outs of creating a blog, creating an online business, SEO, promoting your website on question answer boards, forums, social media. It's a 32 video mega training that really helps you understand how money is made online. I've used it myself. It's helped a lot of people and I've thrown it in there. The second bonus is called Modern Affiliate Marketing. So this builds on the last bonus, but it goes into what are you actually doing with CB Automator? What is it doing? It's creating, it's helping you make money through affiliate marketing. Modern Affiliate Marketing is a massive training that goes into the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, so you have a better understanding. You're not just trying to get this platform and hope that it gives you all this money. You need to understand what it's actually doing, and that's the reason I threw this in there. If you go through this training, you're going to understand even what products to promote, what products are going to be better than others, how to promote them, maybe with any kind of automation software. Even though a lot of them are really good, like CB Automator, you might see that if you understand affiliate marketing and say tags and keywords a little bit better, that you might be able to even make some more adjustments and optimize it even more. So that's why I threw that in there. Bonus number 2 goes into niche marketing secrets, another training. This goes into niche marketing. So let's say that your blog is related to a product, or related to a niche, like, I don't know, fishing, and mindfulness or something like that. Let's say you only want to promote Clickbank products that are associated with that. That's a niche, right? You can't just, it's not a good idea to use your blog to just, blast out a bunch of products, because your audience kind of feels like they're being sold to all the time. But a couple of reviews here and there can be really, really effective. So niche marketing secrets helps you understand what it means to have a niche, how to set up your website in the right way where you're appeasing to one niche audience, and how to do that all in the right way. So massive product there, really useful affiliate marketing, niche marketing product. The next one I've gotten for you, this hones down even more, because CB Automator, as I said, stands for Clickbank Automator. This is called Clickbank Marketing Secrets, a massive training that is going to help you get the most out of using Clickbank to make money through your website, through affiliate links. Bunch of great nuggets, gold nuggets in this. Marketing secrets, how to market, how to select products in the right niche, how to systemize things, and essentially just you know, these bonuses I've kind of layered on top of each other. So you're just getting this big foundational, fundamental bunch of knowledge before you go ahead and use CB Automator. So you're just going to get way more out of it than the average person who's just downloading CB Automator on its own. The fifth bonus I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up with their bonuses that they've hooked me up to give to you. So I don't know too much about these, but I know there's a ton of them. So really quick, Facebook Training Masterclass. You're getting 4 premium wallpaper site WordPress themes, Pinterest marketing guide, Instagram marketing guide, Shopify marketing guide, WordPress Left Behind plugin, which brings you more sales. It helps you use JV Zoom Warrior Plus, WordPress Internet Marketing Graphics, WordPress Sales Robot, WordPress Checkout Maximizer, WordPress Feedback Pro, WordPress Review Me, WordPress Cache-O-Matic, and WordPress Profit Page Creator. So what is that? It's like 10 to 12, 15 bonuses there. If that all sounds good to you, remember step 1, link in the description. Step 2, you'll go through to this bonus page, lock in your bonuses by clicking these green buttons, and that will launch you off to the CB Automator sales page, which looks like this. And I would recommend going through this in your own time, just so we're not here all day. Going through it, looking at the demos, the reviews, testimonials are there, reviews are there, pictures, images, videos, everything you want. So of course you can make a more informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which will look like this. Sorry, it's stored on Warrior Plus. Under your green button will be your credentials, and under the blue button, as I said, all of those bonuses all thrown in together. I will say, keep your eye on this countdown time of those, because this is a launch week offer. So when this runs out, everything's gone. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the less price. So get in sooner rather than later. My email's there if you have any questions, any issues. Right now, we're gonna get into that over-the-shoulder walkthrough of CB Automator. So let's check that out.
Right. So as you can see on my screen, I have the CB Automator demo site, and this has nothing on it, absolutely nothing. I've just installed the free theme that comes as a bonus with our software. Now, once you go inside your WordPress admin dashboard, you can install the CB Automator WordPress plugin just like any other normal plugin. And once you install it, you will see this option here in the left menu. Then you can go into the settings section, and all you have to do is basically a few little things. You can select how many articles you want to import every day. So you can basically make it 1 article per day is what I recommend. Select the category of your reviews, and then if you want to import the featured image, which I would highly recommend, then add your affiliate ID here. Now this is your Clickbank affiliate ID, and that is all you need to do. You can then save all changes, and then after that your site is almost done. Now there are a few other things which we have here. You can add some visual settings, which is enable scrolling box or display video, which is some extra features you have, and then some intro text and click button text, which I will show you later. You can also enable some offers that can show at the bottom of the page of your posts, and then also show affiliate disclaimers, which is basically that you are an affiliate of certain offers on Clickbank, right? Next, you can also add your HTML code, which basically shows some banners or opt-in pages or anything like that in between your posts, and that will show up and actually help you build your list or earn more money as well. You can also add 3 banners here, which basically you can upload any images you want and add any external offers which are probably not Clickbank offers but anything else that you want to promote, and these will appear in the middle or the starting or the end of the post, and you can choose that in any way you want. All right, next is the social sharing, which basically enables automatic social sharing of your content. So as in when new content is posted, new posts are coming to your site, you will automatically share them on various social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, Medium, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Buffer. All right, so let's begin by adding some content on your site. As you can see, your site is completely blank, and all you have to do is now go into the CB Automator section and then click on Force Import. Now this is basically going to automatically import an affiliate article review from our system, which is our our main system, and then this has a complete written article review for you with images, with affiliate links, and has automatically added your affiliate link into the system. Now I will do this a few more times to basically import a few more articles so our site looks a bit more full. But you don't need to do this. Once you import your first article, you can just leave it like that, and every single day a new article will keep getting added to your site, and that way you will have a more organic growing site. Also, if you have an existing site, this works perfectly well for that, because in between your own content articles, you will see there will be other articles that will actually come in, and they will basically be affiliate articles like these, and then they will actually start helping you earn more commissions from your site. All right, so let me import around 10 articles here. Now this plugin comes fully loaded with 30 articles for you, so you have a whole month of content for you. And if you want more content, you can actually join our monthly content membership as well. All right, so let me go ahead and refresh this site, and you will see that this site is now loaded with more article reviews. You can see that all these are actually looking great, and they are over here. Let's go and see the long tail pro review. So this is the long tail pro review. You can actually see this here. The content is here. We have this amazing pop-up box, which is an amazing feature which shows the demo video of the software. And then if you click here, it takes you to the affiliate offer directly with your affiliate ID. So you can actually earn commissions on anyone who buys it from here. All right. So you can go here and read the review. It has complete images, all the titles, tags, fully SEO optimized. It has long tail, it has the full sales video plus the demo video, has the pros and cons of the software, some really good screenshots, and then a call to action at the end to actually get you some sales. All right, so basically also shows the related perks at the bottom, and then you have this floating box which basically helps them take action over here. You can also add some banners which will go at the top over here or on the sidebars over here, and then earn more commissions from different offers. So the reason why I made this software, we made the CB Automator software, is so that it becomes really easy for anyone to actually build an affiliate site which promotes offers from Clickbank, because Clickbank has over 3,000 products that you can actually earn commissions from, and you don't need any approvals. You don't need to wait for any approvals, and so you're automatically approved for all the offers, so you can start earning commissions. All right, so get the software and start earning commissions. Whether you have an existing site, you can add it to your own site, or if you want to launch a new site, you can totally do that using this software.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to see and get your hands on CB Automator, see how much time it's going to save you with that content creation. So really quickly, again, if you go through to my bonus page, there's a little bit of a briefing on CB Automator, as well as the front end pricing and the pro pricing and what you get. So I'd recommend going through all this, seeing exactly what you get. And I just want to let you know, so you understand, you do only need this front end $27 version to get access to all the bonuses I just mentioned, mine that I've provided personally, and the vendor bonuses. Okay, you don't need the pro version. Go with the pro version if you feel like you need those extra features and functions. It also comes with a full money back guarantee. A lot of value here. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments. Hit me up in my email or on social media. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, if you're good to go, have fun with CB Automator. Hope it works that magic for you. I know it will. Hope you love the bonuses as well, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.